Germany.
What did you discover?
I discovered theory of general relativity, theory of special relativity, photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, cosmological constant.
What did you invent?
I invented the refrigerator that ran on heat.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Goodbye. Have a good day.